What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another one. As you see in the title, I'm redoing one of the videos I shot before. I got a new microphone on the camera and I wanted to test it out. Hopefully I sound crystal clear. Hopefully y'all can hear this thing. We got Alexis right here, man. It's a little slippery out here, but I wanted to make this video and I'm not even gonna waste no time. I got Alexis right here, looking good, looking nice, looking thick. You feel me? Look at her, bro. She looking a little beat up still, but you know, I can't really do nothing about that right now, but it's all good because you can barely tell. But that's enough jibber jabbering. We about to get some sound clips of this thing and see how this mic hold up. All right, guys, which way should we go today? Like, I want to go where there's least conflict and like, ooh, that was a nice BMW. Anyways, we're gonna go this way. I think I'm gonna go down there, make a left, go on the interstate, and then make a right. And then we're gonna go that way. Yeah, it's gonna be spicy. It's gonna be spicy. I just hope this microphone picks up everything. That's all. Try that at home, kids. I'm not gonna lie, I had to have the ultimate trust with my tires. Hey, I don't know why people like to get over when they have all the space in the world to do so, but the second that you make your move to get over, oh my gosh, they are all in your grill. Like you had this entire three car gap. What are you doing? Anyway, I really hope y'all can hear me. That's all I want. That's all I need. None of this matters if y'all cannot hear me. We are approaching my favorite section. We got us a little underpass here. Y'all let me know down in the comments if everything sounds good, basically. Just let me know if y'all can hear what I want you to hear. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Let me know. Leave a like in the video too. And since you're next to the like button, you might as well subscribe. Leave a subscribe if you like what you're about to hear, to be honest. had to roll the windows back up. We zero dark 30, like Tyram be saying. I don't know. I can give y'all some sound clips of what it sounds like inside the cabin, but I don't think that's gonna do much for y'all. But as far as I know, this might be the end of the video. I'm gonna give y'all a couple pulls, probably on the street though, because I don't want to do it on the highway. But if y'all enjoyed this little video, leave a like, comment if it sounds good, comment if you like the exhaust setup on the car, if y'all need an explanation. I have others videos explaining my setup. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I appreciate y'all for supporting the channel. I appreciate, we are 35 subscribers. We are almost at 50 subscribers, guys. I appreciate all of y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one, man. Y'all be easy.